So I got the box from Omega Racer, so as you can guess, this is for my bike. And I think this is actually my last puzzle when it comes to modding my motorcycle. I think I'm pretty much done after this.
Wow.
So yeah, it's a new seat, and it's more of a single seat. Also really nice with this vintage diamond pattern. Really liking the looks. And let's see here. Also new leather grip covers to put on the bike. Some before and after pictures. I forgot my camera, but it wasn't really that much to show. The seat just clicks in. Actually, I did have to adjust the seat a bit. As you can see here, I had to raise up the locking mechanism a bit, both in the front and the back, to get it to fit. But yeah, otherwise just laced the grip covers, slid them on and tied them. Yeah, really happy with it. I think it looks really nice. Made Flash look even more classic, I think, and consider Flash to be done and how I wanted it all to end up looking. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.